Hello everyone สวัสดีค่ะ long time yes I'm here in Phuket but I cannot go anywhere in another next 3 days, so I will be stuck here in the room. What I'm planning to do, I will just update a lot of Thai food from the hotel menu. So start off from the breakfast. They have the placard here, breakfast menu, and also the some of the menu behind. And it's 7 in the morning, so I will just start off the breakfast sets for the American breakfast, and also I order with the Thai set as well, and I will see how it's gonna be. There will be a lot of Thai food here in this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed and keep watching. So yay. Let's brew some coffee. Okay. Oh, food is here. 500 baht for 2 sets. Two big bags. Yay. Oh, fruit. Eggs and sausage. Ooh, omelet. Bakeries. Let's see the Thai set there. Ooh, congee, it comes super big, and egg and ginger in here. Ooh, patanko, like the Thai dough. It's okay. I'm so hungry, guys. It's cold. Most of the time I slept. My gosh. The weather is so good. Even though it's raining. And I can feel the breeze, the wind comes from here. Oh my god. It's so perfect. It's like recharging my energy. Oh, but never enough. Now I'm feeling hungry. I'm gonna try pad see ew. So let me call the kitchen. I hope it's nice. Ooh, of course it's gonna be so yummy. Look at this. My favorite. Yay. Eating my favorite food in my favorite island, in my home country. The best. Rice congee in the morning. See. Yummy. So this morning I'm going to have the rice congee with the pork inside here. So basically it's like the boiled rice with the pork, and you put like salt, pepper, seasoning in there, and also you must, for like the Thai style, we put ginger, and this is the spring onion, and this is also the fried garlic. Okay, so I would just put a lot of ginger because I like it on top of this, and a little spring onions and fried garlic, and also they have, oops, put it here, soy sauce right there, and also this egg. Okay, let's see how's the egg gonna be. I think it's like half cooked. Let's see. Oops, I'll put it there. Yeah. See, this. Interesting. Let me try. Yum. A little bit of soy sauce. Oh yeah. Yeah. Soy sauce. Okay. I'm gonna have this for breakfast with the pineapple juice. Very fresh. Oh my god, so good. Yummy. For lunch, the second day, I just ordered pad kra pao. Now I'm eating kind of like a corn chips. I ordered it from Top Supermarket yesterday because I cannot live without the snacks. Watching movies and snacking around something would be really nice, right? Let's see. Ooh. Fish sauce with the chili. Okay, nothing else. Ta-da, ta-da. Look at the view. Hopefully it's no rain, but rain's coming. Ooh. Voila, very, very nice. Oh, smells so good. Look at this jasmine rice with the minced pork and everything. I'm gonna eat this. If you have a chance to order some of the Thai food, so try minced pork, red basil, and don't forget to order with a fried egg here. And you can tell them like how spicy you want, medium spice, or how spicy you can handle. Alright, now it's time to get the swab test because I've been here for 48 hours. So they will do in this building. I will just put the mask on and going down. I hope that I can record. So let's see. Phone call. สวัสดีค่ะ อ๋อ ค่ะ ลงได้เลยใช่ไหมคะ โอเค ค่ะ ขอบคุณนะคะ สวัสดีค่ะ So they called that I have appointment at 3:05, and if I'm available now, I can go down right now. Okay, so I'll just get my key card, where is it? And then I'll go down. Right. Okay, let's go. So every front of the room they have that kind of thing to sanitize everything. Okay, I will just take the lift because I'm the 5th floor. Oh, I think, can I go this way? Now my eyes got a little bit swollen. Look at this. Oh shit. It's kind of hurting me now. I use the warm water. I'm not sure. Oh, what's happening? Alright, then. I asked the nurse like what happened. Probably it's like, you know, bacteria things. So I would just order some ice, maybe compress. Ay, ay, ay. So I couldn't. Oops. What is this? อ้าวสวัสดีค่ะ ไปแล้วเหรอ Colleague. Okay, so back to the room. So I probably need some ice to compress my eyes here. But when I did the swab test, actually, I got a little tears. And of course, you know, nose and mouth. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands and yay. I ordered ice and mango sticky rice at the same time. Mango sticky rice with ice. Ice for my eyes and my mango sticky rice for my tummy. Wait for dessert. It's time for mango sticky rice. Wow, look at this. While I'm compressing my eyes with the ice, I will just enjoy my mango sticky rice. Oh my god. The mango is so sweet with the sticky rice. Look, oh my gosh, real Thai. Oh, I love it so much. Oh, okay. I hope you guys enjoy my video. I'm not doing anything much, just eating, relaxing, and healing my eyes. So I hope sooner or later I will come up with some of the videos. So thank you for watching and I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye นะคะ สวัสดีค่ะ Take care.